Log into the 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add Now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country/region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully, you can start using. Open Tiger AI. Click Create Profile. Enter a profile name. Proxy type selection customize. Choosing a proxy method. Input proxy information. Test proxy. Successful detection, click on the Confirm to start using. Thanks for watching.